Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make the perfect toaster strudel using an easy method. First, let's get everything ready. You'll need 1 sheet of puff pastry, about 1/2 cup of your favorite fruit preserves, and 1 egg. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures your strudels bake evenly and become beautifully golden. Remember to lightly flour your work surface to make handling the pastry much easier. Now, let's assemble these delicious treats. Carefully roll out your puff pastry until it's about 1/8 inch thick. Then, cut it into 8 rectangles, each measuring roughly 3 by 5 inches. Take 4 of these rectangles and spoon about 1 tablespoon of your chosen fruit preserves onto the center of each. Next, brush the edges of these filled rectangles with a beaten egg wash. This acts as a glue, helping the top pastry rectangle adhere perfectly. It's time to bake your strudels to perfection. Place them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper and bake for 12 to 15 minutes, or until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color. While they are baking, prepare your glaze by whisking together 1 cup of powdered sugar with 2 tablespoons of milk until smooth. Once the strudels are out of the oven, let them cool for about 5 minutes before drizzling generously with your homemade glaze. And there you have it. Your perfect homemade toaster strudels are ready to enjoy. For the absolute best flavor and texture, serve them warm right away. Don't be afraid to get creative with your fillings. Apple, cherry, or even a chocolate hazelnut spread would be delightful. For an extra touch, try adding a pinch of cinnamon or nutmeg to your fruit preserves before filling. Enjoy this wonderfully easy and delicious treat.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.